how to change TikTok account country or region. So if you want to change your TikTok country or region, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with the bottom right, which has that profile icon. Once you tap on the profile, go with the three dots, which will be in the top right. Now go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with the first option, which is the account. And once you tap on account, you will have an option of account information. Or here, you will have an option of account, change region or country, something like that. Or if you don't find it on your account, you need to tap on account information, and here you will have account region. So tap on account region and select a country that you would like to set your region to or your country to. And once you've selected your country, you need to go back, refresh your TikTok, or just restart your TikTok. And in this way, you'll be able to change your TikTok account country or region. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.